from this to this in 3 easy steps. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Today I'm gonna show you how I paint my nails acceptably, perfectly at home in 3 easy steps. By the way, if you want to see how I get this almost acceptably perfect gel manicure at home, I'll show you a very simple and innovative method as well. For today, our method is called dot, push, and pull. Let's get started. First, we're using this beautiful color club nail polish called Single and Ready to Mingle. First is dot. So you dot a fair amount of nail polish very close to the cuticle area. Remember, this is a little bit larger amount, and then you push very slowly and gently towards cuticle in order to not flood it. And now pull that little puddle of nail polish right to the tip of the nail. Do it very carefully. If you need to point your finger down, do that as well. Perfect. That is 1 nail down, and this is 1 layer, and I used 2 layers of the nail polish. Okay, I'll do that again on the smallest fingernail as well. So first dot and push, and then pull, because we already have that little puddle of nail polish, so you don't need to re-dip your brush into the bottle. And pull. Almost perfect, I think. Well, for a manicure at home. Alright, yes, this is 1 layer. Using this method, you can be very slow. For the second layer, dot and push. Second layer, I like to use a little bit more nail polish for it to be a little bit more opaque. Now we're pulling towards the tip of the nail. This is a very opaque nail polish, and yeah. And there's some mistakes I'd like to show you. For example, if you flooded a little bit of the cuticle using this method, usually what I do is to use a cuticle pusher dipped in a little bit acetone and gently push the little bit toward the nail, not downwards, so that you can really melt the little bit into your nail polish before you put on the glossy taco. And yeah, I fixed that a little bit pretty quickly using my cuticle pusher because I think that is more crisp. Is that the right word? Crisp? And then you can also use a cotton swab to fix the bleeding. Dip the cotton swab in acetone or nail polish remover and start scrubbing very gently before the top coat. The last step is, of course, the top coat. Use a very generous amount. I like to use a little bit more because I like to make my nail polish very much gel-like and very glossy, and this is the finished look. Hope you really enjoy the content, and I really enjoyed making it. Yeah, this is it, and hope it helps, and see you in my next video. Bye! Like and subscribe, please. 1,000 kisses.